Hey guys, welcome back to day 5 of the hashtag 30-day vlog challenge. And in day 5, I'm going to give you a peep into my studying life. I know a lot of you guys don't realize this, but I am still taking online courses. I'm never going to stop learning, and you shouldn't either. I've always been a curious person with a thirst for more knowledge, so I signed up for an online course hoping to get another degree or two under my belt. Obviously, being a mother of two running my own business, anytime I think about taking a class, I'm always going to take longer than others, mainly because there's only so much time I can fork out to study. So what takes someone, I don't know, a month, it would take me 3 months. But to me, it is better to go for it and taking your time to get the degree rather than not having the degree at all. So to me, I like to work in silence, hence a lot of you guys don't always know what I'm doing with my time. But for me, when I want to learn something, I kind of go for it. It doesn't matter if some people think it's worthless. You know, you're rich, why should you get another degree or make more money? Well, I have a thirst for knowledge, and I did not get my college degree. That doesn't mean I don't respect college. It's just mean college wasn't for me and my life plan. I promote college for anybody who wants to learn, but for me, life just didn't dealt me with a card where I can just focus my time on studying. Life decided that life wanted me to be a mom, wanted me to run my own business, wanted me to put everyone's needs before my own, and me being someone who's naturally flexible and curious, I decided I am going to still take a course, whatever it is I want to learn or being certified in. It's going to take longer. To me, it's just a scenic route. There's many ways to get to your house, to your final destination. I could take the highway, I could take in a road, and I can take, like, you know, the busy side street or the shortcut. There are many ways to get to where you want to be. And for me, if it's something I really want to do, I will make time for it. And if I don't want to do it, it's not a priority. But this is the reason why I've been cutting off on my social media, because I've just been really busy studying and making time to study. So I do hope you respect the effort I put in order to do this project and just fill you in into my life. I want to inspire you to do more, because I believe in you.
Lock the door, please. Get into 2 properties today. Today we're doing the first one. I already have someone renting this apartment. I do need to get one of the updated videos. Hopefully they did something to it so I can rent it out easier. Secondly, we have another apartment that I'm waiting for a go for. Once we get a go, then we definitely can rent it out, because there is a huge shortage for 3-4 bedrooms. Alright, so at least I move things up. Today we are checking out this apartment. And I'm going to step back and show you the neighborhood. You do have a driveway driving in this way. You can park in the back as well. Person just moved out, so it's going to be kind of messy before it gets really clean. Let's go in. Upon going in, lock the door behind me. I'm going to stand here. This area is kind of like a waiting area with the shoe area. It has a really nice closet in here. Very big space. Nice, good coat closet. And turn the light, and as you go this way, there is the first room. I'm gonna go ahead and open the door for you. First bedroom. And let's check out the closet. Very, very nice closet. Alright. I'm gonna stand in this corner just so you can see the room size. And out here, the yard needs to be clean, but as you can see, they can remove that and you can actually park the car in here. It is for the person living here only. And you do have a really huge backyard, which I will show you in a little bit. Walking in, this is the first bathroom. This apartment is now ready to move in. It is as is. And here's the living room. Very good size. Walking in, this is the second bedroom. Very, very nice, open, big room. I'll let you check out more of the yard. Open the closet space. Very good closet space. There we go. Step back here, and that is what the room look like. Let's moving into the next area. This is the kitchen area. Gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like. Washer and dryer hookup is right here. Great storage space. Very deep set in. I'm gonna show you the kitchen. The kitchen is really good size. Lots of cabinet space. I'm also going to show you the backyard really quickly. All of these to be tossed, of course. We're waiting for trash day, but you do have this area here as well. Let's go into the master bedroom, which is the third bedroom. And it's the master bedroom because there's a closet, and this is the bathroom in here. Yep, I'm gonna step back and show you the room size. You can easily fit a queen or a king size bed in here as well. You do have a walk-in closet right here. And I'm going to step back and show you this place one more time. And that's it. This is 115 Stratton Street, number 1. And I hope this is your new apartment. Alright. So, next apartment.
After fitting in this quick apartment tour, I actually had to go pick up some food with the girls. Today I have a class online, so yeah, I won't be able to do much. Just gonna upload this to the stream, and then my assistant will do all the running around and deal closing, and me, I have 5 hours to sit through in this next class. So wish me a lot of luck. And after the class is done, my husband came home. He brought me some flowers to help cheer me up.
You're the winner, you're the pageant queen. You tới thank you daddy đi. Go thank you daddy, daddy bought you flower. Cảm ơn bố chứ. Wow, nice flower, you like flower. Wow, cảm ơn bố chưa, cảm ơn bố chưa kia đi. Cảm ơn bố. Wow, daddy mua hoa cho kia kia. Kara. No, không đụng em, không đụng em. Kara, right here. Kara, your flower, hey! Your flower. Wow. Your flower. Wow, and your flower. So nice, Kate, so pretty. You like it? It's too heavy? Okay, Mama, hold for you. Thank you. Wow, so nice. Daddy buy for you, so pretty.
Hold in.
Kate. You're so cute. Oh my god. Minnie Mouse, exactly, it's your purse. It's your little doll book bag. So cute.
These dupe or actually created by one of my fans. She's starting this whole thing where she want to begin her own DIY company, and hella shout out to her. If you're interested in buying her product, please contact me and I will send you the link. If you would like for me to shout out to your product and you are a business owner, don't forget to comment down below. I love supporting female-owned businesses. So after the girls are all set, Erica will be putting them to bed and mommy and daddy is going out to dinner. Yes, we go to dinner just because, and honestly I did not feel like eating in today, so he took me to Cᴏ.ł. Cᴏ.ł has become one of my favorite restaurants just because I love their hospitality. I love how it's easy to get a table. My favorite server there is David. And honestly, fine dining is like going into a hot pot store for me. I fine dine quite often and in the scrubbiest of clothes, and I usually fine dine whenever I'm not having a good day, whenever we're celebrating, whenever I just feel like I'm craving something from a certain store. And the lobster risotto here is so freaking bomb. The kale in this particular dish is amazing. And I really do like this new noodle dish that we try out today. It's like a seafood scampi that they have, and it's pretty good. Definitely would come back and order again, but the main reason why we came back is because we were really blown away by this particular dish that I'm showing you. This is a surf and turf. I think it's just a beef tenderloin, and that's a lobster. What's great about it is I love the sauce around it, and the only new that they add to this dish versus the other dish is they add nochi. But after dinner, I came home, edited the video, and obviously it's gonna go live. And today's little present are these rolling with benefits set. See ya tomorrow. Night night.